The Justice for J6 rally was a right-wing pro-Donald Trump demonstration that occurred on September 18, 2021, in support of hundreds of people who were arrested and charged following the United States Capitol attack. The event was organized by Matt Braynard. The event was noted for extensive security preparations and concerns over possible unrest in August. A rally titled, Justice for J6 Inches, organized by Look Ahead America, was scheduled to be held on the grounds of the U.S. Capitol starting at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on September 18. The rally was intended as a show of support for people charged for participating in the attack. Lawmakers and law enforcement officials expressed their concerns over possible unrest at the rally. In response to the rally's announcement, the Metropolitan Police Department was activated for September 18. There were also discussions about restoring the fencing surrounding the Capitol, though they were initially met with bipartisan disapproval. It was unclear how many people planned to attend the event. A counter-rally was subsequently scheduled on the same day, heightening concerns over participants of both events clashing. The Department of Homeland Security shared an intelligence briefing memo to state and local law enforcement agencies, which warned of potential violence at the rally and on the day before. The memo did not identify a specific or credible plot associated with the event, but it also warned that individuals and small groups can mobilize to violence with little to no warning, particularly in response to confrontational encounters with perceived opponents or calls for escalation by key influences. The protective fencing was restored around the Capitol by September 13, and multiple congressional offices were slated to close on September 17. About 200 demonstrators attended the rally. Capitol Police had estimated the crowd at about 400 to 450 people. But with journalists exceeding the number of demonstrators, the participant count was much lower. The event passed with minor incidents while remaining a generally peaceful demonstration. 4 people were arrested. 2 people attending the rally were arrested for outstanding firearms violation warrants. One man arrested at the event was found to be in possession of a large knife, while another was found to be in possession of a gun. The event saw heightened security presence by the U.S. Capitol Police and other law enforcement agencies, despite hopes by some of the organizers that 700 people would attend as demonstrators. It was estimated that only a maximum of 450 demonstrators attended and that even journalists at the event exceeded the number of protesters. Ahead of the event, Braynard downplayed the estimated size of the rally and criticized the security measures established in response to the event, saying they were designed to discourage and deter participants. In response to the planned rally, former U.S. President Donald Trump called it a setup for Republican voters, saying, "If people don't show up, they'll say, 'Oh, it's a lack of spirit,' and if people do show up, they'll be harassed." Republicans have distanced themselves from the demonstration. On social media, far-right groups and individuals, such as the Proud Boys, were urging members and people not to attend the event. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer described security at the event as more well-prepared, in contrast to the January 6 Capitol attack.